Alright my people, so welcome back to another video. Yeah, so this morning I have a bathroom here. Yeah, so in the ledge. Yeah, so I got tile out the bathroom in the morning here. So this is how the bathroom look like. Yeah, all the way to ceiling. Yeah. All the way to ceiling, wherever it. Yeah, so make a start. So what I try to do is get out the master go right round. Yeah, so that the important thing. Yeah, so I try to get it all the way right round. Yeah. So see if I leave some tile light. Yeah, the most important thing is to make a start. Try se we can get it done in the day. Yeah, right, then we did. So I try to get the master roll. Mix on the furniture. Cut all the pieces, then cut out, Yeah.
why you decided to put this in our room?
So alright, my people, so the bathroom are gone. So this is how I reach with the driver now. Yeah. So I carry around the two first row. Yeah, two first row in. So everything I go straight to ceiling. Yeah, so this is how I have a building here now. I'm going to run under there now. Yeah, so now I'm going to put that on. Nothing on the gun. Yeah.
Alright, like how I now go on the road and now make that steel boat so when that is done, we carry here. Now I'm getting some sand, that's the boat, some sand in that game, right?
Just get our finish. Yes, that's my gas. Drop in the shower. So, see there, bathroom almost done. Yeah, so we just basically have the piece on the top left to drop in and out. So yeah, this is how it will look like right on there. Yeah, so I could do here now. I could put in the top here now. So bathroom looks sweet and nice. Yeah man. Looking good, my people. So I have to show off to drop in the electric tile. Yeah. Yeah, but we're looking good so far. Yes, as you can see. As I say, we take time at one. Want to try knock up the wall. Yeah, as you can see, we're almost done. So yeah, looking good. So we have them piece there going to drop in. Yeah, so just have to take the day and close it off. Yeah, as we say, I'm going to put in the pieces then. So we're going to run down on the page where we'll put over the top. As I see me that put over there now. Drop on the top piece there now.
So, you can't go and become a mad boy. The boy trying like idiot is a man. Yeah? Yeah, man, listen, you come and play like that thing about fool. That's me. I said, no, I said, you couldn't drive one vehicle with me. Drive fast because sometimes we wait them on little days. But when you see a man constantly drive their way, they are madness, man. You cure your drive.
Yeah, I was going to say we'll see if we can catch out the last piece there.
people, so there now. Down in the bathroom, tile up on the wall. Yes, now we're the shower rolling. Yes, so tile up the shower now. Yeah, so then all the time we're going to use the shower. Yeah. Thing like, you know, kind of blending with the brown streak on the wall. Yeah. So, it looks about after all. Yeah, so I was going to say, try and get that shower out right here. Come in, things said, child. Things said. Let's see it, my people. Yeah, so the shower drop in. Yeah, man, shower drop in and done. So, I want to put on the ledge. Yeah, once we put on the ledge now, you know, bathroom show up. Yeah, so, all done. The only thing left at the window for drop in. Yeah, I'm not drop in the window yet. I'm going to done with the shower first. The window kind of easy to put in, so you know, try to take out the harder part them. Yeah, so everything up and running, the people. Yeah, so as I said, I'm going to put on the ledge. Yeah. So looking good so far. Alright, my people, so see it in our bathroom, I growed up. Yeah, so everything drop in shower, drop in the window. Yeah, as you can see. Yeah. So the window drop in, and we have some growth in on the wall, you know. Yeah, so just I try to finish up. Yeah, shower everything. So you know, as soon as done growth up, show you what the finished product look like. Yeah, so I'm gonna see some growth in where the bathroom, you know. Yeah. So I take my time and match it up. Yeah, man. bathroom nice. Shower everything. Yeah, so as I said, this is the focus here now for get the water grout up. So yes, my people, so let me say, show on the finished product what it look like. Yeah man, done grout up and clean up. Alright, my people, bathroom done and grout up. Yeah, so that's the shower. Yeah, see what it look like there. Everything gone up there. Right, the ceiling. Yeah. So bathroom look good. Yeah man, ceiling there. Window drop in. Yeah, so so we're there with the bathroom. As I said, finished product. Yeah, everything grout up. Everything drop in. Yeah, so this is the drain. Yeah. Shower tile. Yeah, so we're looking decent. Pretty good. Yeah man, big shower. Yeah man, nice wall tile. Look good pan tile, pan wall. Yeah, the same floor tile just flow through. Yeah, so I'm gonna say this is where it look like finish. You know, done up everything, grout up. Yeah, so just plumbing on for coming in and putting in fixtures them and you know say bathroom up and running. Yeah man.